Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 9 times x plus 33 equals negative 30. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 33 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 9 times x equals negative 63. The variable coefficient is 9. Divide both sides by 9 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute negative 7 for x. Both sides equal negative 30, so the equation balances. So, x equals negative 7.